Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are tackling something that is honestly going to shave a nice little chunk of stress right off your monthly routine. We're talking about mastering your PPL Electric bill by effortlessly setting up Autopay. If you're a focused learner looking to streamline your finances and just, take back a little bit of your precious time, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's get into it.
Look, we've literally all been there, right? You're busy, life is moving a million miles a minute, and suddenly, bam, you realize you completely missed a utility due date. It is universally annoying to track these monthly bills, and honestly, it's even more frustrating to get hit with late penalties that are so easily avoidable. But imagine just never worrying about missing a bill payment again. Imagine managing your PPL Electric bills completely effortlessly with just a few clicks. Well, in this explainer, we're going to unravel the secrets to setting up Autopay, giving you some serious peace of mind and freeing you up for the things you actually love doing.
So, here is our super clear 5-step roadmap for today. We'll kick things off with the Autopay Advantage. Then we'll move into preparing for setup. From there, we're going to walk through online and app enrollment, followed by enrolling by phone, and finally, we'll wrap up with managing your Autopay. This structured approach is going to totally simplify your utility finances.
Okay, let's dive right in. Section 1, the Autopay Advantage. Why should you even bother automating your payments?
Well, let me tell you, it is literally the ultimate convenience hack for your energy bills. Let's break down the core benefits here. First and foremost, enrolling in Autopay means you completely avoid late payment penalties. PPL securely and automatically withdraws your monthly payment, meaning late fees are a thing of the past. It also saves you an incredible amount of time. No more logging in every month, no more hunting for a stamp to mail a check. Plus, when you link a checking or savings account, it is completely free of convenience fees. And of course, paying on time every single time really helps you build and maintain a rock-solid, consistent payment history.
And I gotta highlight my absolute favorite number on this topic, 0. There are exactly 0 processing or convenience fees when you link your standard checking or savings account directly through PPL's system. It is a completely free service that's just designed to make your life easier. No hidden fees here.
All right, moving right along to Section 2, preparing for setup. Now, before we jump into the actual process, we need to gather our materials.
This phase is all about knowing exactly what you need up front, so you don't get stuck halfway through. You just need 4 simple items ready to go. First, your 10-digit PPL account number, which, by the way, is super easy to find. It's just hanging out in the upper right corner of your paper or digital bill. You're also going to need your service address zip code, your bank's routing number, and your checking or savings account number. Oh, and a quick tip, if you haven't already, you'll use these details to create your PPL Electric online account. And as a best practice, always make sure you are using secure, strong passwords when you set that up.
But wait, hold on a second. There is one very important eligibility rule straight from PPL's own FAQs that you absolutely need to know. Quote, you are not eligible to enroll in Autopay if you're on a payment arrangement to pay off a past due balance. So what does this mean for you? Well, if your account currently has a past due balance and you are on a payment arrangement, the Autopay feature is unfortunately locked. You have to bring your account current by making manual payments first. But once that bill is fully current, you can absolutely go in and unlock the Autopay feature.
Okay, Section 3. Assuming you're all caught up and ready to rock, let's explore the first and definitely the most popular method for configuring this automation, online and app enrollment, or as I like to call it, the digital pathway. Setting this up digitally is incredibly straightforward. Literally 4 steps. Step 1, access your account by logging into the PPL website or opening up their mobile app. Step 2, navigate to your account settings and locate the Pay Bill or Autopay section. Step 3, this is where you enter those payment details we gathered just a minute ago, your routing and bank account info. You can also tweak your payment settings here. And finally, Step 4, just confirm, verify, and save the enrollment. Just keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or account notifications to ensure the whole shebang is correctly set up.
Now, real quick, what's super cool about the PPL mobile app is that it's highly rated and available for both iOS and Android. It features secure biometric login, so you can use your Face ID or fingerprint, which makes managing your account in the future not just effortless, but incredibly safe. Plus, beyond just paying the bills, the app actually lets you track your energy usage and set personalized alerts to stay on top of how much power you're consuming. Pretty handy, right?
All right, let's look at Section 4, enrolling by phone. Maybe you're someone who prefers to bypass the digital portals altogether, and that is totally fine. Let's talk about the alternative configuration channel, the analog pathway. For those who prefer picking up the phone, here is the primary PPL customer service number you're going to need.
You just call 1-800-342-5775 to get your automated payment set up.
The process on the phone is just as simple. You call that 1-800 number. From there, you can either navigate the automated interactive voice response system, or if you're calling during normal business hours, you can speak directly to a live human representative. Then you just verbally provide your 10-digit account number and your bank routing and account info. And the best part? The automated voice system is accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can literally knock this out whenever it fits into your busy schedule.
Section 5. Managing your autopay. So, let's talk about how we manage this beast once it's actually running. This section is all about real-world scenarios, troubleshooting common hiccups, and answering your most frequently asked questions.
Okay, this is without a doubt the absolute most common post-setup question customers have. You've entered all your info, you click Save, but how do you know for sure it actually worked? Obviously, you want to proactively settle any of that anxiety way before the due date actually hits. Well, the answer gives you a very precise visual cue. Whether you are looking at a physical paper bill or a digital PDF from your online profile, all you do is look for the word Autopay, sitting right there in the Amount Due box at the top of page 1. If you see that word, boom, your automated draft is active and you are good to go.
Another massive concern viewers always have is about flexibility and control over their data. Like, what if you switch banks next year? What if a payment fails because of some weird error during input, or you need to address an unsuccessful payment? People constantly ask, can I cancel or suspend Autopay any time? And what happens if a payment fails?
So, the crucial takeaway here is yes, you are completely in the driver's seat. You are never locked in. You can easily unenroll, update your bank details, or fix any typos anytime through the online My Account portal. Now, if a payment does fail, you'll just need to go in and update your payment method to ensure the bill actually gets paid. And as a quick best practice for optimizing your autopay use, always make sure you have sufficient funds in your selected account. Try to regularly review your account statements and be proactive about updating your payment methods if you ever open a new checking account.
Let's quickly recap and compare the tedious old way with this streamlined new way. Manual payments require you to constantly remember due dates, log in every single month, or physically find a stamp and mail a check. Who has time for that? Autopay, on the other hand, securely withdraws the funds on the exact due date with literally zero effort from you. It is a completely hassle-free bill management experience. Now, one quick disclaimer before we wrap up. While we've covered all the ins and outs today, always verify current procedures directly with PPL Electric, as their processes and policies can change. And remember to double-check if your specific bank has any fees associated with automated transfers, even though, as we covered, PPL does not charge you for using a bank account.
Which brings us to our final thought for the day. Are you ready to put your energy bills on autopilot and finally take back your time? I highly encourage you to stop procrastinating, grab your latest bill to find that account number, and just get Autopay set up today. It is a game changer. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, here's to a much more effortless, automated life.